says I'm a wellness girly. Underneath that, I'm just a very normal girl in her 20s trying to navigate life. Or I could take you along for a couple of days for a more realistic side. I feel like in your 20s, you can be in a completely different path to somebody the same age. For me personally, I'm 20, I'm still trying to grow my channel, I live at home, and I'm self-employed. But if you're ever feeling lost in your 20s, just know that your path is unique to you and it's not going to be the same as somebody else's. So don't feel like you're falling behind, especially with how big social media is. We now pretty much have access to everybody's lives and what they're getting up to. So there's naturally going to be a constant comparison and the feeling of you're not doing enough. But trust me, you're on the right track. You guys know I'm trying to quit scrolling the best I can, especially in the morning. So I'm going to be reading my book. Book update, I finally finished The Gingerbread Bakery. And now I'm reading the first Summer Temporary book because I've had this in my book library for so long. I thought I might as well just quickly read it. I want to try and read this book before my Kindle arrives. This morning I'm doing reformer Pilates, which depending on the class availability, I try and go like once or twice a week. The classes recently have been so busy that I haven't been in the last couple of weeks, so I'm really excited to go back. So for lunch, I have this like beans and rice meal, which I have been obsessed with recently. I get so fixated on foods, and I get this from Lidl and it's so affordable.
Yeah.
You guys may or may not already know that I work from home, mainly at my desk. And something about my job is that every day looks completely different, from filming, events, content days, editing days. The plan for today is to just spend a couple of hours doing client work and lock in. As well as being a content creator, I'm also a digital content producer, which means I do a lot of social media management and YouTube video editing, and I also do a bunch of side quests like videography and stuff. The first thing I always have to do is check my emails and check my messages, which you would expect. A lot of my clients are in completely different time zones, so the times they will message is so unpredictable, and it's usually in the middle of the night for me. So I reply to them, reply to any brands or any collaborations, and today we're on my favorite app. Mostly today I'm going to be on my favorite app is Canva. We're creating some social media posts today. For the clients I do social media for, everything's all in Notion, that they have their client portals in there, which is really helpful because it's all in one place and really easy for me to navigate. And I also have my own personal stuff as well, like everything to do with YouTube and brands, etc. Alexa, play Emotional Bruises by Madison Beer. Every couple of months I get an uncontrollable urge to redo my whole bedroom, but this one is the worst it has ever been. Tell me why I woke up at 5:30 to rearrange all my furniture, and now it's 8:30 and I'm about to go to B&Q to pick up some paint. This is serious. Normally I just move around a couple of things or reorganize because I'm bored, but this is actually business. A blue collar job now, saying goodbye to the content creator life. This video is a collaboration with Halara. You guys know I love Halara so much. I literally wear their clothes every single day. So I thought I'd give you a try on haul. We'll start off with this cord. I love stripes so much. So first I got this. It's like a grey and white striped sports bra. And I got matching flared leggings to go with it. There's even like back pockets as well. This cord set is genuinely so cute. And what I love about Halara is that they're so versatile. You can wear it for almost any occasion. Like I wear them to the gym, to to run errands, travel days, staying at home. I also got this like burgundy red hoodie, so fluffy on the inside. What I didn't realize is that not only are there pockets, there's a secret Ziploc pocket inside the pocket, because is it just me, when you got stuff in your pockets it always pulls out, and this one actually keeps it secure. I picked up a couple of gym tops. Let me show you. Sticking with the red theme, we have this red gym top. I love it because it's so flattering on the back, like it's not boring, and there's also built-in bra pads, literally my favorite thing ever. And I just love it because it's so stretchy and lightweight as well, and I can just get one of those. I also picked one up in white. I love a white tank top as it is, like I can just wear this for every day. I love the fact that it's got built-in bra padding, and like the quality is so good and thick. I'm really into my flared leggings at the gym at the moment, so I picked up this brown pair, which I love. Again, super stretchy, and it's sweat resistant as well. I feel like with a lot of gym clothes that they're not very lightweight, and like it just makes you smell a bit unflattering, but like this actually will make you look put together. I also got these flared leggings in like maybe like a plum red instead of like the burgundy, and I really like this. I've been trying to get some more color into my wardrobe. I'm saving the best till last because I've been so obsessed with these sports bras. Okay, let me show you inside out. Here it is. And you might be thinking, Lottie, this is just a boring sports bra, there's nothing special about this. The back, oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's so flattering as well. I mean, we have the double strap, and then we turn around and we got a little like twist moment. I feel like a Pinterest girl. And not only did I get it in black, I got it in this like light brown color as well. So cute. I'm obsessed. Not only did I get it in those two colors, I had to pick it up in red. I don't know what it is, but red gym clothes, oh, it's a power move, honestly. Love it. Yay! As well as going to the gym, we want to do more runs, get out there, try different sports, and I'm gonna look like a professional. Can't lie, we're all gonna be looking like it girls with our Halara clothes on. Last but definitely not least, in fact I think this one is my favorite. This one is perfect for a little pink Pilates princess moment. When I wear pink gym clothes, I literally feel like Barbie. You guys can actually get 15% off of all full price products with the code Lottie12, so definitely jump on that and we can all match. You guys know how much I love Halara, and thank you Halara for sending me all these lovely clothes. I'm genuinely so grateful. Good morning guys, it's day 3 of the vlog and day 2 of my impulsive renovations. Last night I started to build my new bedside tables, but they're not nearly finished, so I need to get on that. I also made an Americano with frothy honey milk. I tried it in Cafe Nero and it was so good. I've spent the whole morning organising everything I possibly can. I finally showered, got dressed, got ready. I'm gonna make a bit of brunch. guys know how much I love sitting in a random field and doing reading, journaling, literally anything. And I'm just gonna chill out here. I've just come back from my walk and I have the most exciting package I think I've ever been delivered ever with ASMR. I've got my very own Kindle. I wanted one for the longest time. As it's getting warmer, it's the perfect excuse. I'm just gonna go ahead and set this up and then I'm gonna update you guys. Okay, I've set it up and I've decided that the book I'm gonna read first on here is The Housemaid is Watching, which is the sequel to the original Housemaid. I also got a Kindle case as well. It's literally just a plain clear one. And I thought if I wanted to, I can decorate it with stickers or get one with a different color. Perf. They look so fragile and the last thing I want to do is to break it. I love how you get the book on the front of the Kindle as well. Plan of action: finish reading Sunrise and Pretty, start reading The Housemaid's Secret. On a normal Friday night, I will probably either be working at home or doom scrolling. You guys know I'm trying to cut out endlessly scrolling on my phone, so I thought this evening we could do some baking. Well, it's not really baking. I want to make like the chocolate cornflake bites. While the little cakes are in their fridge, I'm gonna make my actual dinner. I have been craving steak and mash for the longest time, so that is what I'm gonna have.